The Iranian regime has brought untold harm onto its own citizens and caused chaos throughout the region and the world.
A reminder why Canada cracked down. Ottawa sanctioned Iran for sponsoring terrorist groups like Hamas and Hezbollah, and for violently cracking down on protesters, angry after Mahsa Amini, an Iranian woman, died in police custody after police arrested her for wearing her headscarf the wrong way.
As a result, senior officials of the regime are now permanently inadmissible to Canada.
But data from the Canada Border Services Agency shows it's found 18 alleged senior Iran officials already in Canada, and the Immigration and Refugee Board, which determines deportations, only deemed 2 people inadmissible so far, with only 1 removed. Documents obtained by Global News show how one accused senior regime figure is fighting to stay in Canada. Court records show Elham Zandi came to Canada as a tourist and, in November 2023, applied for a work permit. And she did so under Canada's policy to allow those who, quote, feel uncomfortable returning to Iran to prolong their stay. After 9 months, her lawyer challenged what they deemed to be an unreasonable delay and sought $10,000 damages. The government response said her security screening was ongoing. Zandi argued she already passed a security screening when she first came to Canada and didn't need another.
These measures amount to the most robust and comprehensive set of sanctions in the world against Iran.
During this time, BC Liberal MP Patrick Weiler's office contacted the Refugee Board about her case 5 times. Weiler's office says staff only relayed status updates to Zandi's daughter, a constituent, and wasn't aware Zandi was being screened for being an alleged regime member. The case is ongoing, but the government has since made a decision. The Refugee Board confirmed to Global News they're now scheduling a deportation hearing for an Elham Zandi, alleging she is a senior member of the Iranian regime. The federal government confirmed that Zandi's unique immigration identifying number matches that of the Elham Zandi in the work permit lawsuit. An Iran critic says having senior regime officials in Canada frightens community members.
We all worry that those folks are here, they're monitoring our activities, and that they can carry out acts of transnational repression.
Zandi, through her lawyer, didn't comment. The Canada Border Services Agency says it can't comment, citing privacy. The Immigration and Refugee Board says it's scheduling Zandi's public deportation hearing, but hasn't yet set a date. Nathaniel Dove, Global News, Toronto.